Hey, ocean explorers! Today we're diving deep, both literally and figuratively, into the world of underwater cameras. If you're as fascinated by the mysteries beneath the waves as I am, you're in for a treat because we're talking about the absolute best underwater cameras of 2024. Number 4 GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is the company's flagship action camera, and it excels at recording spectacular footage, particularly underwater. The Hero 10 Black is known for its compact and robust design, and it is waterproof, without the need for an additional housing, making it an excellent choice for aquatic activities. The Hero 10 Black has enhanced video capabilities, capturing high-resolution 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, delivering sharp and smooth footage even in demanding underwater settings. The camera's HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization technology improves video quality even further by eliminating the effects of shaking and vibrations, resulting in professional-looking underwater content. The Hero 10 Black features a strong picture sensor that thrives in low-light circumstances, allowing users to shoot colorful and detailed photographs beneath the surface of the water. Its underwater color-correcting technology ensures that colors are true and bright, bringing out the inherent beauty of the undersea world. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is suitable for both novice and experienced users thanks to its user-friendly interface and straightforward controls. Even while submerged, its touchscreen display makes it simple to frame shots and navigate settings. Furthermore, the Hero 10 Black includes Time Warp 4.0 for dynamic time-lapse videos, Superphoto for stunning stills, and a number of shooting modes geared to diverse underwater settings. In 2024, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is more than simply a camera. It's a portal to the depths. This camera's underwater capabilities go beyond simply being waterproof. It's intended to be a companion for underwater enthusiasts, ranging from snorkelers exploring coral reefs to deep-sea divers capturing the wonders of the ocean floor. The HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilizing system on the Hero 10 Black pushes stability to new heights. This feature ensures that your footage remains smooth and cinematic even in the turbulence of underwater currents. It's like having a built-in gimbal, giving your underwater videos amazing smoothness. The Hero 10 Black delivers crystal-clear footage that brings the underwater environment to alive with 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second. Every ripple and ray of sunshine that filters through the water is depicted in stunning clarity. This camera is a storyteller as well as a witness to your underwater activities. The powerful underwater color-correcting technology on the Hero 10 Black ensures that your films and images capture the genuine beauty of the underwater world. The colors are brilliant and the details are sharp, allowing you to relive the underwater experience with unparalleled clarity. With the Hero 10 Black's user-friendly touchscreen display, navigating through settings underwater is a breeze. The camera's interface is simple, allowing you to concentrate on capturing the wonders around you without being distracted by sophisticated controls. Whether you're photographing the excitement of a bustling underwater ecosystem or capturing quiet images in a tranquil lagoon, the Hero 10 Black has a variety of shooting settings to adapt to any underwater scenario. It can handle everything from burst photographs to time-lapse recordings. Number 3 Insta360ONE. The modular design and versatility of the Insta360ONE make it a popular choice for a variety of shooting conditions, including underwater photography. The Insta360ONE is a revolutionary modular action camera that captures immersive content in a variety of situations, including underwater. Its distinguishing feature is its adaptive design, which allows users to convert between different lens modules to meet individual requirements. The Insta360ONE has a dedicated 4K wide-angle lens module with waterproof features for aquatic enthusiasts. This allows users to shoot spectacular underwater footage that is clear and detailed. The camera is often built to resist water depths, making it a dependable option for snorkeling, diving, and other water-related activities. Even in difficult underwater conditions, the camera's sophisticated stabilization technology delivers smooth and shake-free footage. It also has features like flow state stabilization, which aids in maintaining steadiness in dynamic shooting circumstances. The Insta360ONE's modular design allows customers to tailor the camera to their unique needs. The Insta360ONE strives to provide a diverse and high-quality imaging experience, whether you're capturing wide-angle photos of bright coral reefs or exploring the depths of underwater tunnels. The Insta360ONE excels at capturing both regular flat film and immersive 360-degree material. This is especially useful for underwater exploration because it allows users to capture the full underwater view, guaranteeing no moment is missed. Even under difficult underwater illumination situations, the camera is designed to offer high-resolution film with beautiful colors. Advanced color correcting technology guarantees that your underwater films and photographs look true to life, emphasizing the underwater world's beauty. The user-friendly interface of the Insta360 makes it simple to navigate the settings underwater, while immersed intuitive controls and a snappy touchscreen make it easy to modify settings and capture the ideal photo. The Insta360 is designed to resist the rigors of underwater use. Its waterproof design guarantees that the camera stays operational at defined depths, allowing users to explore and shoot amazing footage in a variety of aquatic locations with confidence. The Insta360 makes post-processing a breeze. The editing software that comes with the camera gives customers a suite of creative options for enhancing and customizing their underwater material. With the Insta360's live streaming capabilities, you can share the wonders of the aquatic environment in real time. The camera allows users to share their underwater experiences with a global audience, whether they are broadcasting a snorkeling trip or visiting a vivid coral reef. In summary, the Insta360 remains a top contender for underwater photography and videography in 2024. The combination of unique features, versatility, and high-quality imaging ideal for both enthusiasts and pros. Checking recent reviews and product specifications encouraged to stay up to date on the newest improvements and user experiences. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 underwater camera is designed to capture spectacular footage in aquatic conditions. Building on the popularity of its predecessor, this model includes enhanced features to meet the needs of both professional and recreational underwater photographers. The sturdy and waterproof construction of the Osmo Action 4 allows it to be immersed at substantial depths without the need for an external housing. As a result, it is an excellent choice for snorkeling, diving, and other water-based sports. The Osmo Action 4 produces high-resolution stills and videos thanks to an enhanced sensor and improved image processing. This guarantees that every underwater photo is clear and detailed, capturing the bright colors of the marine world. DJI's Rocksteady stabilization technology reduces camera motion and vibrations, resulting in smooth and stable footage even in difficult underwater situations. This capability is especially important for obtaining clean images in the dynamic and occasionally chaotic underwater environment. The Osmo Action 4 will almost certainly include dedicated underwater shooting modes that optimize settings for different lighting conditions and depths. These options improve the user experience and make capturing professional-looking underwater film easier. DJI is well known for its user-friendly interfaces, and the Osmo Action 4 is expected to follow suit. The camera will most likely have a simple menu system and simple controls, allowing users to focus on getting the perfect underwater photo without complexities. To maximize underwater shooting sessions, the Osmo Action 4 is anticipated to have a longer battery life, allowing users to capture more footage on a single charge. The Osmo Action 4 is expected to thrive in low-light circumstances thanks to upgraded sensor technology, allowing users to shoot bright and crisp photographs even when natural light is scarce. The camera is supposed to have adjustable presets for various underwater scenarios. Users may be able to preset configurations adapted to certain depths, water clarity, and lighting conditions, speeding up the process of modifying settings for best results. The Osmo Action 4 may offer high frame rate recording, allowing users to capture slow-motion underwater film. This feature is very effective for showing complex movements and details in the aquatic environment. The Osmo Action 4 is rumored to offer sophisticated networking options such as built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to permit seamless sharing and remote control. This would allow users to easily transfer and share their underwater footage. The camera is expected to be waterproof as well as sturdy and resilient, able to handle the challenges of underwater conditions. This may include corrosion resistance and impact resistance, ensuring longevity under harsh environments. Number 1. Insta360X3. The Insta360X3 is projected to be the greatest underwater camera in 2024, raising the bar for capturing the beauty beneath the waters. This compact and clever camera is designed to survive in aquatic situations, providing underwater fans with unrivaled features. The enhanced waterproof construction of the Insta360X3 allows you to plunge into the depths without the need for an additional housing. That concludes our top 5 best underwater cameras in 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.